think it's time to make Nano Fire even more epic. How am I going to do that? I've already started. I just got it back from the spray painter. There we go. Color coded Angry Bird Girl. Was previously matte black, but I think this just looks more epic. I like it. What else are we going to do? We are going to replace the original hood with a 10th anniversary edition hood. Also got it sprayed silver. We're going to unpackage that and put it all together. Take the old hood latch and spring and transfer it onto the new hood. A quick guide to the tools that you'll need for this job. Number 8 spanner, number 10 spanner, a knife, a fork, or one of those clip remover tools. Fork is cooler. And about 2 to 3 beers. But this sounds like a bit of work, so we're going to need something first, like a beer assistant. There's the new color-coded 10th anniversary edition hood. It needs to be unpackaged. Beer assistant. Nice. Unplug the windshield sprayer piping first. These are the best ratchet spanners. T-brake. Okay, just wanted to make sure that everything fits. Looks like it does. I'm going to leave these on because I bought new ones. This is going to become a wall art. I'm going to hang it up in the man cave. Okay, I'm going to start by removing the heat shield, the hood release, spring, and the latches, plus these clamps which hold the windshield sprayer piping. If you don't have a special tool to remove these dreaded clips, I have a pro tip for you. Just be delicate so that you don't damage the clips. Ideally you want to use them again. It's got kind of threads on underneath. See there, okay, I did damage it a little bit, but it will still work. Fork underneath there. Turn it, wangle it a bit. Eventually it will give. But as I say, you want to try and use these clips again. Well, that's if you don't want to go to Jeep and spend a fortune on clips, which cost nothing to make. There we go. If you've been struggling to remove these windscreen washer pipe clips, they look like that underneath. You need to pry in a knife or something sharp and just move those inwards so that it can slide out. And there we go. Beer time. Beer assistant, this one's broken. Mic drop. Alrighty, let's install the vent. Make sure that you hear those clicks so that you know it's secure in place. Oh man, that is looking epic, as Sam Pilgrim says. The dream. Putting the new heat shield on. See, this one takes more clips than the old one, so I will have to go and get 1, 2, 3, 4 other clips. Okay, install the clips for the pipe back. Well, we lost the bolt, and as you can see, it's quite dark now. The hood is on, but you can't really see it, so I will film tomorrow morning in better light, and then I'll also put on some decals. But so far, it's looking good. Bye. And it's the next morning. So there you go. You should be able to see that a bit better now. I think it looks bloody awesome. One thing I did notice, with these aftermarket hoods, for some reason, I do not know why, these holes for the hood rubbers, they are smaller than the standard size. So as you'll see, it doesn't fit. It's just a bit too small. So what I'm going to do is just drill these holes slightly bigger and then use touch-up paint on the edge of the hole to prevent it from rusting. The hood rubbers will fit fine on the original hoods, but if it's an aftermarket non-Jeep hood, rather check the sizing of those holes before you start. So a pro tip would be, when you buy the hood, just check if the hood rubbers fit in, and if they don't, then you can drill the hole a bit bigger before you respray it and fit everything on. So it's created a bit of extra work for me, but now you don't have to do that. It's a pleasure. If you would like to know, the hole should be 12.5 millimeters exactly. So all that's left to do is to stick some decals on. I'm gonna put one of these US Army star stickers on, just here on the hood. I will make a specific video going into the specifics of how to apply vinyl stickers, but this is not that video. And there you go. What do you guys think? I'll put a before and after photo up now. You can let me know what you think looks better down in the comments below. I do prefer the silver. It has grown on me. I think in future I will change these hood latches. There are some aftermarket ones which hold the hood more securely and prevent that flutter when you drive past the truck. I think I will put a Jeep logo on the grille over here, as the original grills have. I'm thinking in matte black. What do you guys think? Leave it like it is, or add the Jeep logo? Comment below.